This is Vegas Pro version 15, and let's see how to make the audio sound like a cartoon after you speed up a clip. So if I click on play, you can hear the sound is normal, but if I hold down the Ctrl key and drag the end of the clip all the way to the left, then the sound is the same, only the speed is different, so the pitch is not modified. Okay, and to make it sound like a cartoon, right click on the audio, go to properties, lock to stretch, check that one and close it with OK. And now the speech sounds like Chipmunks or something like that.